this must be banned. Because without doing anything, they're just sitting there and going crazy, not doing anything. At least in the second program, they were doing something to go crazy. In the third program, they're doing nothing and they're going crazy, this must be banned. At one time when… this is in mid-90s, when Isa as a movement in southern India was growing exponentially, so for the local people in Tamil Nadu, I'm somebody who landed up from somewhere, who doesn't know a word of Tamil, but bullying them with their own language, or saying all kinds of words which don't belong to Tamil but conveying what I want to convey. Even today I'm managing Tamil language with just 33 words of vocabulary. Then it was just 11. So saying all kinds of things, but it was logically correct. So they were taken by it and it was just growing. The state government got little nervous. Who is this guy? He just… anywhere he goes, thousands of people gathering. What's happening? Is he going to start a new political party? Is he going to contest elections? All these kind of things came up. So it seems they sent some intelligence officers to our programs. Maybe here also, I don't know if you're FBI. So they came and they did the inner engineering program, then unfortunately they got into the Bhava Spandana program, and the horror of horrors, they got into the Samyama program. And then they submitted a report. After almost 2 years after this report was submitted, we found some access to the report because we didn't even know such a thing had happened. So these guys who reported, to put it in a brief form, they said, this first program is very good. You know what they mean. What they mean is, it's logically correct. Second program is little crazy, but all right. Third program, this must be banned. Because without doing anything, they're just sitting there and going crazy, not doing anything. At least in the second program, they were doing something to go crazy. In the third program, they're doing nothing and they're going crazy, this must be banned. So when I came to know of this, I thought this is a classic case of observation. It has to be logically correct.